Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today let's make a perfectly cooked vegetable pulao. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin. Here I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, which I will wash nicely and I'll keep it for soaking for at least 30 minutes before I start cooking. And now for the cooking process. In a pot, I have taken 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I will add in 1-inch cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom, black peppercorns and 2 bay leaves. And now I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds starts crackling, I'll be adding in 1 medium-sized onion, which I've just sliced roughly. We'll saute this for around 30 seconds to a minute. And now let's add in carrots. We'll just stir fry the carrots. Now in the vegetable pulao, we need to make sure that we don't overcook the vegetable. So just stir fry it on high flame. And now I'll add in green chili. So here I've taken 1 small green chili, followed by salt and French beans. And now I'll be adding in 2 cups of water. So the ratio of the water is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Keep the flame high, let the water come to a boil and then add in the rice. Now here just make sure that you don't use a spoon. And now once the water and the rice comes to a surface, that's when we move this to a lower flame. And we'll cover this with a lid. And yes, we also need to add in green peas. We'll cover this with a lid and we'll let it cook on low flame for around 10 to 12 minutes. After that, we'll turn off the flame and just make sure that you don't open the lid. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then you can open the lid. Your veg pulao is ready. So that's it guys, it was that simple to make this vegetable pulao. Just keep in mind the proportion of rice and water. If you take 1 cup of rice, keep 2 cups of water ready. And regarding the vegetable, just make sure that you just saute the vegetable on high flame. Just make sure that you don't overcook the vegetable. We need the crunchiness of the vegetable when we are eating the pulao. So let me know guys in the comment section how you like this video, how you like this recipe, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.